Welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. I will be showing you how to do some good finger licking curried chickpeas. I have 2 cups of chickpeas here. I have washed them. I'll just go ahead and dump it all into my slow cooker because yeah, I am doing it in the slow cooker. I like to use my slow cooker because I find that, here's a little secret. I have 2 pressure cookers and I haven't used them in probably about 7 years since I discovered my slow cooker, because when I use the slow cooker, it allows whatever I put in there to slowly cook and absorb all the lovely seasoning that I add to the dish. No more pressure cooker. Pressure cooker cooks fast, but it doesn't allow the meat or whatever you're cooking to absorb all the lovely flavors. Now the next thing I am going to do is shred some onions to add to the chickpeas. And now add some minced garlic. So you add your garlic to taste. I like quite a bit of garlic, so I'm adding just about 3 teaspoons. I have my curry blend here that I'm going to dump into the slow cooker, and I have a recipe on the channel that tells you how to make a good homemade curry. So I'll link it for you so you can check it out. I'll go ahead now and stir everything together, and my slow cooker is on high. Now to my 2 cups of chickpeas, I will be adding 4 cups of hot water to get the slow cooker started. I like to add hot water instead of cold water. When you add cold water, it just takes way longer to get started. So that's 2 cups of chickpeas, 4 cups of water, because the chickpeas do take a bit of water to get them cooked. They'll absorb quite a bit of water, and I think I'll have to add more water to it, but I'll just do the 4 cups for now, and I will cover it. Now I'll leave the crock pot to do its thing, and later on I'll also be adding some more goodies to this curried chickpea, so stay tuned. It's been about 3 to 4 hours now since the chickpea has been going, and the water is practically dried out. Now it's at a point, I'll show you what it looks like, where it's almost done. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and add just a splash of olive oil, and I'll add some coconut oil also, because I just love the flavor that coconut oil gives to a dish. My son has a joke where he says that coconut oil is my ketchup. After that, I'll add some chopped up carrots and Irish potatoes. And don't be afraid to taste your dish to see if you want to put any more salt or pepper in. And also some red onions or purple onions and celery. So I've chopped up everything. I'll add them. I'm gonna add a cup of water, but I'm adding water that I just boiled, so it won't slow down the process it will just keep cooking. Now I'll cover the crock pot and I let it go until all the ingredients that I just put in are cooked, especially the carrots and the Irish potatoes. So it's all done. This is how you do curried chickpeas, my friend. You can either serve it with naan or roti or a bed of rice. This is actually brown rice. Well, I hope you guys try some curried chickpeas. This is a great dish for a vegan or a vegetarian. Let me know what you think, guys. Also, leave me your thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button. Remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.